Gather a Phillips screwdriver and an extra person to help you with some lifting. With someone to help you, lift the base and work surface out of the box. Carefully slide the base and the work surface onto the desk and determine where you'd like your sitting position to be. Insert 2 M8 screws into the clamp. Then place the clamp support plate on top of the M8 screws. Make sure that the tip of the screws align to the holes on the clamp support plate. Tighten the M8 screws with the 6mm Allen key until the clamp support plate is secured properly to the desk. After removing the zip tie from the lever, engage the lever and raise the sit stand. Our work surface is mounted, which means we're ready to attach the monitor arm and a monitor. To install the monitor pole, place it into the cutout on the platform and insert the M10 screw with the lock washer through the underside of the platform. Tighten the M10 screw using the 8mm Allen key. Lower the work surface to the desk by engaging the lever. Take the fitting and attach it to the monitor pole by using your Phillips screwdriver to tighten it at your desired height. Slide the Visa assembly onto the monitor pole and tighten it with the knob on the rear. Insert the cap onto the top of the pole and secure it using an M4 screw and the 4mm Allen key. Take your Phillips screwdriver to attach your monitor to the Visa assembly by screwing in the included Phillips panhead screws. To keep your cables organised, raise your workstation to the highest position. Route your monitor cables down the pole. Clip them with the cable clip and route them through the cable funnel at the rear of the platform. Gather your other cables under the platform and route all cables through the arm down to the base. The adjustable tension makes it effortless to raise and lower your sit stand. Start by raising the sit stand to its highest position with all your equipment and accessories placed on the workstation. Turn the bolts located at the rear of the base counterclockwise using the 6mm Allen key to offset heavier weights. If the RT is properly adjusted, it should feel effortless to raise and lower. Now you can enjoy adding movement to your day with the Fellows Lotus RT.